Welcome, dear students of third standard. Today we will start a 20th chapter of GK. I hope you have completed all your 19th chapter in your textbook and notebook. So let's move further. What is the 20th chapter? It is Harvest Festivals of India. What is a harvest festival? Every festival of India has given a different name for harvesting. Harvesting is a process of collecting the crops, cutting the crops. That festival is celebrated with a huge enthusiasm in India because India is totally dependent on agriculture, and so all the places have different time of rainfall and harvesting period is also different. And also the name given to that festival of harvesting, that is of cutting of the crops, is also given differently to each and every state. So the harvest festival is given different names to each country, each state. So 70% of India's population live in village. You already know, and vast majority depend on agriculture. Farmers celebrate harvest festival to mark the harvest of the crop. To mark the harvest of the crop, they celebrate widely, very with a very enjoyable and joyful manner. So it is also given in a very uh, importance in our India. These festivals are known by different names in different states. I already told you the names of these festivals is different in each state. So these are the various harvest festival names that you will study in this chapter. Some of the clues is given and you have to write the name of the festival. First one, the harvest festival, also called as the festival of colors. It is the festival of Gujarat and mostly it is celebrated with the colors, and the name is given as Holi. The harvest festival is Holi, yes. This is the festival of colors and we celebrate with the colors. Second one, the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, the harvest festival name is given is Pongal. It is also celebrated in the month of January. All the harvest festival is mostly celebrated in the month of January, and some it is celebrated in the month of March. The most popular harvest festival of Kerala, now only it went and it is celebrated, and the name is given Onam, and it is celebrated in the month of August. Now only it went before 15 days. The most popular harvest festival of Kerala is Onam. The harvest festival of Assam is Magh Bihu. Magh Bihu. Fifth one, the harvest festival of in Punjab, it is Baisakhi. It is also celebrated very nicely in Punjab. So these are the festivals of different state, but it is the harvest festival. Remember that. Sixth one, the harvest festival of Andhra Pradesh is Makar Sankranti. That is also celebrated in Gujarat as Makar Sankranti. We usually fly kites during that days. Seventh one, the harvest festival of Gujarat is Uttarayan. Uttarayan we celebrated while in Gujarat very nicely, and sometimes we also name it as Makar Sankranti. It is celebrated in Gujarat, and mostly we fly kite during that days. Eighth one, the harvest festival of Odisha is Nokai. Nokai. Ninth one, the harvest festival of West Bengal is Nabana. 10th one, the harvest festival of Meghalaya is Wangala. 11th one, the harvest festival of Mizoram is Chapchar Kut. So these are the 11 harvest festival of different state that you will write one time in your notebook and complete in your textbook as well. I hope it is clear all about the harvest festival, which is given a different name of harvesting in different region. It is celebrated mostly by the farmers of India. 21, lesson number 21, taste of India. We already know that India is wide and rich in culture and tradition, and all have different culture and tradition and religion, so their food habits is also different, right? And there is a peculiar dishes of each and every state that you will study in this chapter. India is a nation that is so vibrant and diverse. Diverse means different. It also have different rules and different culture and different tradition. That every state exhibits a different culture, tradition, a way of life, language, and cuisine. Cuisine means food habits. is also different, lifestyle is also different, the clothing is also different. The food of each state is influenced by the geography, climate, and the culture. The food habits is influenced by the geographical condition and the availability, and also the climatic condition of that place, and also the culture of that place. It is influenced by that place. Every state has a special dish of its own. What is the special dish of different state that we will study in this chapter. First one, मक्की की रोटी सरसों का साग. You can see it is the special dish of a Punjab. मक्की की रोटी सरसों का साग. You already know. When you go to Punjab, you enjoy this dish. Second one, it is a avial. Avial is a special dish of a Kerala. Bisi bele bath. Bisi bele bath is a special dish of Karnataka. Idli sambar, it is a special dish of Tamil Nadu, but now all the places of India it is popular. Vada pav. Vada pav is a special dish of Maharashtra, but then also it is being popular in Gujarat also. Dal bati, it is the special dish of Rajasthan. Dhokla. Dhokla is a famous dish of Gujarat. Pulihora. Pulihora is a famous dish of Andhra Pradesh. Momos. Momos is a special dish of Nagaland. Bhapa fish. Bhapa fish is a special dish of West Bengal. Biryani. Biryani is a special dish of Telangana. You might have heard about Hyderabadi biryani. It is a special dish of Telangana. Litti chokha. Litti chokha is a famous dish of Bihar. So these are the 12 famous dishes that you will study in this chapter. No need to write anything in a notebook and only complete it in a textbook. Clear? Now see the next page of chapter 21. It is a food lovers quiz. Take this quiz to find out how much you know about this. First one, the oil used in Kerala for cooking. The coconut is a famous plant that it is widely seen and grown in Kerala. So there for cooking also coconut oil is used. Second one, people of this state use mustard oil for cooking. Mustard oil means rhino tail. It is used by the West Bengal. Third one, bhatura. Bhatura is eaten with chutney or chana. It is eaten with, always eat a bhatura with chana, chole chana. You might have heard of it. It is a famous dish of Delhi. So bhatura is eaten with chana, not chutney. Fourth one, curry. Curry comes with the word kari, which means sauce. You might have heard about different types of curries. That is made. So it is a type of sauce being added in a vegetables. Fifth one, you make sandwich out of a bread, not with a biscuits. Lassi is a drink made up of buttermilk, it is not made from a milk. Seventh one, salad is made up out of boiled vegetables or raw vegetables. No, it is made up of raw vegetables. Eighth one, you can preserve this for a long time. Cake or a pickles. Pickles means athanu. In Gujarati we say pickles. Athanu, and it is called in English pickles. Pickles can be stored for a long time. Once in a year it is made and it is preserved for a long time. Ninth one, Indian bread is called roti or dosa. It is called roti. 10th one, paneer is a butter or a cottage cheese. Paneer is not a butter. Butter is a totally different thing. So it is known as cottage cheese. 11th one, dish offered to Lord Ganesh. Now only the Ganesh festival you already enjoyed it. Which sweet you are offering to Lord Ganesh? It is a rasmalai or a modak. Yes, it is a modak. 12th one, the state famous for sambar is Tamil Nadu or a Haryana. It is a Tamil Nadu because it is a South Indian dish, and sambar you already know you enjoy with idli and dosa. So Tamil Nadu is a famous for sambar. 13th one, people in Maharashtra greet each other on Sanskriti with laddus called tilgul or a bundi laddu. It is called a tilgul. 14th one, Ice cream in India is a rasmalai or a kulfi. It is a kulfi. 15th one, the dessert made on Eid ul Fitr. It is a Muslim festival. Eid ul Fitr means Eid, which sweet is made. Sir kurma or a chum chum. It is a sir kurma. 16th one, a famous sweet of a Bengal is a gulab jamun or a rasgulla. It is a rasgulla. See this page, we finished, that is a food lovers quiz. That also no need to write in a notebook, just complete it in a textbook. Thank you.